Hello po, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Ito po ang ating sample ng weekly learning plan. Ito po ay base sa DepEd Order number 17 series of 2022. So ito po ay nilabas noong April 6. So ayan po, April 6, 2022. Guidelines on the progressive expansion of face-to-face classes, at nandito na rin po yung example para po sa ating weekly learning plan. Ito po yung simplest form niya, so napakasimple na lang. Quarter, week, MELCs, grade level, learning area. So ayan na po, meron na tayong day 1 to 5 objectives, topics, classroom based activities, and home based activities. Meron po example dito para sa grade 2. Learning area is Filipino, and MELCs, ganito po ang ating gagawin. So nakalagay po yung objective niya, yung competency dito, and meron tayong objective. So, kung gusto niyo pong malaman ang tungkol dito, pwede kayong mag-download sa deped.gov.ph ng DepEd Order number 17 series of 2022. So, marami pong example dito. Meron din pong pang high school, may pang senior high. So, ayan po.